everyone, welcome back to the maths class. I hope you all are fine. So in last class we have started exercise 4E, question number 1, 2 and 3 we have done. Today we are going to start with question number 4. Now listen question number 4. A mathematics book for class 4 has 216 pages. How many pages will 45 copies of the same book have? In this question it is given that there are 216 pages in a mathematics book. If there are 45 copies of the same book, how many pages will be there? In one book, student, there are 216 pages, and in 45 copies of same book, to get our answer, we will do multiplication. Okay, so we will start with the statement. How many pages means we will start from number of pages. Okay, so first statement will be number of pages in one book that is given is equal to 216. Okay, now here we have to find number of pages in 45 books. So next statement will be number of pages in 45 books, that is equal to 216 multiplied by 45. Okay, here we will write the answer. Firstly we will do multiplication. So write here places ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and write 216 on the top and write 45 below it. Put the sign of multiplication here. Now start multiplication. Student, 5 6 the 30. Now 5 on the 5 plus 3 8. 5 to the 10. Now we have to multiply 216 by 4. So firstly we will put 0 at ones place. Now 4 6 the 24. 4 1 the 4. 4 plus 2 6. 4 to the 8. Now add these two products. 0 plus 0 0. 8 plus 4 12. 0 plus 6 6. 6 plus 1 7. 1 plus 8 9. So the answer is 9720. Hence 45 copies of the same book will have 9720 pages. Understood? Now let's move on to question number 5. A truck can carry 124 bags of rice in a trip. One day it made 25 trips with a full load. How many bags of rice did it carry on that day? So in this question it is given that a truck can carry 124 bags of rice in a trip. Means in one trip the truck can carry 124 bags, and in one day it made 25 trips. So whenever we have information for one and we have to find for more, we do multiplication. What is the meaning of this line? One day he made 25 trips with a full load. Means अगर वो ट्रक 25 टाइम्स बैग लेकर जाता है तो उस दिन टोटल वो कितने बैग्स लेकर गया? So we will do multiplication. Okay. So how many bags of rice did it carry on that day? So we will start with how many bags means number of bags. So first statement will be number of bags of rice carried in one trip is equal to 124. So here we will write first statement. Number of bags of rice carried in one trip. One trip means one time. Okay, that is equal to 124. Now we have to find number of bags of rice carried in 25 trips. We will do multiplication. So next statement will be number of bags of rice carried in 25 trips. That equal to 124 multiplied by 25. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Write 124 on the top and below 25. Put the sign of multiplication here. Now student, 5 for the 20, 5 to the 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 5 and the 5, 5 plus 1, 6. Now put 0 here. Now 2 for the 8, 2 to the 4, 2 ones are 2. Now add these two products. 0 plus 0, 0, 2 plus 8, 10, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 2 plus 1, 3. So the answer is 3100. Hence, it carried 3100 bags of rice that day. Understood? Now see question number 6. A factory produces 327 tube lights in a day. How many tube lights can it produce in the month of February in a leap year? Student, means one day a factory produces 327 tube lights. Now we have to find in the month of February how many tube lights will be produced. But this February is coming in a leap year, student. How many days are there in leap year? Yes, we know that there are 29 days in February in a leap year. Okay, so now here we have to find how many tube lights can it produce in the month of February in the leap year. How many tube lights? We will start from number of tube lights produced in one day is equal to 327. And next statement will be number of tube lights produced in 29 days. That is equal to 327 multiplied by 29. Okay. So we will start with the statement. Firstly, we will write here number of days in February in leap year is equal to 29. Understood? So first statement will be number of tube lights produced in one day, that is given 327. Now we have to find number of tube lights produced in 29 days. Okay, so next statement will be number of tube lights produced in 29 days, that is equal to 327 multiplied by 29. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Right here 327 and 29 here. Now student, 9 7 the 63. Okay, now 9 to the 18, 18 plus 6, 24. 9 3 the 27, 27 plus 2, 29. Now 2 7 the 14, 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1 5, 2 3 the 6. Now add these two products. 3 plus 0 3, 4 plus 4 8, 9 plus 5 14, 2 plus 6 8, 8 plus 1 9. So the answer is 9483. Hence it can produce 9483 tube lights in the month of February in a leap year. I hope question number 4, 5 and 6 are clear to everyone. Thank you. Have a great day.